Two people meet. They click instantly. Stay together for decades. Save each other. Two people meet. They fall hard. Then drift apart. No one knows why. Every relationship you've ever had. Every bond. Every breakup. Two laws explain it all. One is about what you are. One is about how much you carry. Quality. And quantity. The first law is older than language. Yin and yang. Not male and female. Complementary traits. Hard and soft. Rational and emotional. Still and restless. Grounded and idealistic. We're all born incomplete. One-sided. You carry only half the spectrum. And your soul knows it. So you crave the other half. Not to dominate it. Not to absorb it. To complete the circle. The logical person falls for the dreamer. The restless one calms near the steady one. The realist loves the romantic. That's not attraction. That's repair. You love what you lack. But here's the catch. Yin and yang only work when the two people stand at the same height. Same depth. Same scope. Same power. If one towers over the other, complementary becomes controlling. Love becomes leverage. The second law is about size. Not physical. Energetic. Resources. Wisdom. Presence. Gravity. The sun doesn't negotiate with Earth. Earth orbits. The mountain doesn't ask the stream. The stream flows down. Bigger energy pulls smaller energy. That's not oppression. That's physics. In human terms. The person with more scope. More clarity. More range. Attracts followers. Not because they demand it. Because the smaller energy needs direction. Mentors and students. Leaders and teams. Influencers and audiences. This isn't yin and yang. This is hierarchy. And it's stable. As long as the two share the same core. Same values. Same vision. Different altitude. Now combine the two laws. Same level. Opposite traits. That's a soulmate. A best friend. A lifelong partner. No power games. No posturing. Just mutual rescue. Same core. Different level. That's a mentor. A loyal follower. A lasting alliance. No resentment. Just guidance and trust. Different traits. Different level. That's a toxic bond. One craves completion. One craves control. They need each other. And hate each other. Most divorces live here. Same traits. Same level. That's a coworker. A casual friend. Pleasant. Shallow. No tension. No depth. Every relationship sits in one of these four. If it feels good, the forces are balanced. If it hurts, one force broke. So here's how you fix it. For intimacy, pursue yin and yang. But stay matched in power. Don't fall so far behind. That love turns into debt. The best partnerships are equals. Who complete each other. For influence. Build your own gravity. Widen your scope. Deepen your skill. Lift your altitude. Then attract people who share your vision. Not your wallet. Money brings crowds. Values bring loyalty. For conflict. Diagnose which force failed. Did you stop balancing each other? Did the gap get too wide? Fix the mismatch. Or let it go. The cosmos runs on two forces. Yin and Yang teach you to accept difference. Big and small teach you to grow your presence. You don't need 100 strategies. You need 2. Balance your traits. Raise your weight. Then every relationship finds its natural place.